If you need to log into SurveyMonkey, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you are accessing your surveys for the first time, returning to your dashboard, or just making sure you can sign in without any confusion, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, open your web browser and go to SurveyMonkey's official website by typing surveymonkey.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button. It is usually near the top of the page, and that is where you will begin the sign-in process. Go ahead and click on Login. This will take you to the SurveyMonkey login screen. On this page, you will see a field where you can enter your email address. Type in the email that is connected to your SurveyMonkey account. Make sure you enter the correct email because this is how SurveyMonkey recognizes your account. After entering your email, click Next. This moves you to the password step. Now type in your SurveyMonkey password carefully. If you are using a shared device or a public computer, be extra cautious and make sure nobody else can see what you type. Once your password is entered, click Log In. SurveyMonkey will verify your details, and if everything is correct, it will take you straight into your account dashboard. From there, you can access your surveys, reports, templates, and any other tools available on your plan. If you do not remember your password, look for the Forgot Password option on the login page. That will help you reset your password and regain access to your account. Also, if you signed up using a Google, Facebook, or other single sign-on method, make sure you choose the same login method you originally used. If the page does not load properly, try refreshing your browser, clearing your cache, or switching to a different browser. These small fixes can often solve common login issues very quickly, and that is how to log into SurveyMonkey in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.